November 16th, 2011. Good morning, Miss Lilybug. All happy, smiley. Yeah. See you with your little skeleton PJs. Oh, boom, boom, where are you going? Hold on, I'm coming to get you. I'll save you. I'll save you, little munchkin. There we go. There you go. You need some toys to play with, huh? Whoops. Smile. Lily. Hello? Lily? Lily, look at Mommy. Miss. Uh-oh. Don't spit up. Okay? Up, up, up. Let me see the mouth. Let me see the mouth. Ah, don't fall backwards either. Ah. Here, Lily. There's your little dinosaur. And now you got spit up on your mouth. Ah. Where you go? You silly girl. Can you sit back up? There you go. Oh my gosh, you almost sat yourself back up. Come on, sit back up. Whoa! I can't do this while I'm trying to record you, can I? No. Let me see.
You have the window open already.
Trying to get some light for recording. So hopefully it won't look grainy. Wow.
That helps a lot, actually.
It does right there. I see you.
I see you in a dinosaur butt.
Lilybug. Can you smile? Can you get that out of your face and smile a minute? Hi. Did you find it? Oh, that's not good. Ew! Ew, ew! Yucky, yucky! We got all of our PJs. Ah. Here, Miss. Missy, sit up. Sit up there.